Hello Mathlink Cubes lovers. Today we will make fruit creation again. We will make Pinapple. Are you ready guys? Let's do it.
Genius Kids channel.
First we make the bottom part. We use orange cube color. Then yellow cube for the middle part. Middle part is done. Light green cube for the top part. Yay! The Pinapple creation is almost done. Do you have any fruit creation ideas? What will we do next? Please write in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.